Good morning, 8th Standard. This is your social studies class, and today we are going to learn Block 19, the Indian Judiciary. I hope you have completed your previous two blocks in the new notebook and your work is completed. Please do your work sincerely so that you also can learn during this pandemic era and your studies will not get affected. Now, today we will learn about the functions of the judiciary. So, get ready with your content book, notebook, worksheet, and the stationery that is required. Listen the video and see the slides carefully so that you can understand and follow the instructions that are given to you. If you will study like this, definitely you will get the exact idea what you want to learn and what are you going to learn. So first of all, we will see a quick recap what we had learned in block 18. In block 18, we have read about the function and composition of the president, the prime minister, the chief minister, along with the council of ministers and the governor. Before we start the lesson plan, we will see the keywords, what those are important in your lesson plan. First one is dispute, second is justice, and the third one is judiciary. Now, in this way, I hope you come to know that what are we going to learn. Okay, first of all, tell me a question that if you have a dispute or conflict in class, who would you approach to resolve it and why? So, I think you will go to principal sir or ma'am and you will get your satisfactory judgment there. So in this way, today we will learn about how different kinds of disputes are resolved in our country. Got it? Now moving further. Okay, here comes the question of the day. What is the question of the day? You need to tell where is the Supreme Court located. Got it? Go to the online exam and pick the correct answer. Now moving further, open your content book and open your lesson functions of the judiciary. From that, read the different situation and afterwards draw the table and write the answers in your notebook. The table is given in your next slide. Here is the slide and you need to draw it like this in your notebook and then answer it. You can pause the video here, read the different situation, copy the table in your notebook, write answers, come back again so that we can discuss few more questions. I hope you have done it. Now tell me who is involved in the dispute in first situation. In first situation, two brothers are involved in a dispute over property. In the second situation, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, two states are there. Those are involved in dispute over sharing water. In the third one, the Dalits are in the dispute with the upper caste because of their right. because their right to equality has been violated by the upper caste people. And what happens in the fourth situation? The state government of Kerala is in a dispute with the center over some rules made by the center on deciding who is poor enough to get cheap rations. I hope you understood it. Now, come to the next question. What are the disputes about? So, there are different disputes. You have read the different conditions. First condition was between two brothers. It means the dispute between the two individuals. In the second situation, two of the estates were in the dispute. In the third situation, two communities were in the dispute. And in the fourth situation, directly a estate is conflict or is in dispute with the government, central government. It means state versus central government. Now, who do you think can settle these disputes? Okay, so the courts, which are part of the judiciary, can settle these disputes and ensure justice. Judiciary is an organ of our government. Now tell me, what kind of disputes does the judiciary resolve? The judiciary settles dispute between citizens like Prakash and Pramod. It settles dispute between two states, a state and the center, and also between the citizens and the state. Got it? Why is it important to resolve these disputes? It is very much necessary to resolve the disputes. If disputes are unresolved, it can lead to violence. What do you think are the functions of judiciary in India? Besides settling the disputes, the judiciary also protects our fundamental rights if they are violated, as was the case with the Dalits. The judiciary also has the power to cancel any laws passed by the parliament if they violate the constitution. Got it? Here is the diagram. You can read it. As I already told you that what are the functions of the judiciary. So you can also draw it in your notebook. Now, why does the judiciary play an important role in our democracy? The judiciary interprets the law and also upholds the rule of law, which is an essential feature of democracy. It also ensures justice by resolving conflicts according to the rule of law. To make the lesson better for the better understanding, you will read the section function of the judiciary. Got it? After that, you will complete S1 in workbook and practice question 1 to 3 in notebook. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. I will happy to answer you. Thank you and have a nice day.